So mortgage rates are starting to drop, guys. They've seen their biggest drop in over a year. And last week we were kind of hovering around 6.5%. And as of this past Friday, it's now at 6.29%. So many of you are asking, should I refinance? And here's what I think. I would consider a refinance only if when you purchased your home, the interest rate that you got were in the sevens or in the eights. If they're definitely in the eights, I would definitely consider this because this could lower your mortgage payment and give you a hella ton of savings. Now, there's a couple of things to keep in mind because a refinance is not guaranteed. It is based on a couple of things. Now, your lender is going to look at a couple of things. They're going to look at your credit score, they're going to look at your employment, and they're also going to see if you've been late on your mortgage payments. If you've been late on your mortgage payments, you may be disqualified from getting a refinance. One thing to keep in mind, because you see rates have dropped to a 6.29%, doesn't mean that you'll be getting a 6.29%. The interest rate that you'll get will be determined by your credit score and your debt to income ratio. Now, if your debt to income ratio is high, and if you have equity in your home, the lender will use some of that equity to pay off some of your debt in order for you to continue with the refinance. And one last thing, refinances are not free. There are costs associated with getting a refinance, and depending on which lender you use, they may roll that cost into the loan, or you may have to come up with some funds upfront at closing. If you have any questions about interest rates dropping or doing a home refinance, you can shoot me a DM or leave your message in the comments.